father.
There's
a bank in progress. One of the the ground at gunpoint.
You ready? Don't call me now, honey. I can't get rid of those hiccups. Let's try it one more time. Ready?
Thank God we're still here.
Oh.